Today's project, the previous owners added a composting toilet to the boat. They're becoming popular as you don't have to deal with a holding tank. If you're not familiar with how they work, well, they're pretty simple. You put fresh compost in the bottom, and the number 2 goes into the compost and breaks down, while number 1 goes into a separate container. The idea is, every so often you dump them, and by then it's broken down to compost, or basically dirt. We've never owned one personally, so we're going to see what we think firsthand. So basically, to empty it, you have to remove the toilet, open up the top, and dump the contents into a trash bag and dispose. That can be quite a challenge on a boat 10 feet off the ground, and the real kicker is the previous owners left it totally full. So here's a video Steph took following me around of me just complaining the whole time emptying it. Enjoy. It'd be one thing if it was ours, but it's not even our stuff.
I know. I can't believe they just left that stuff in there.
I'm getting already getting less excited. Like, hey, Band-Aid, rip it off.
Is it really heavy?
It's pretty heavy. Like, not too heavy to carry, but heavy enough where I'm like super stoked that I'm probably gonna trip down the ladder or something. That was a great design.
Will it even fit? Might have to do it in here.
No, I'm not doing that in here. What an asshole. Oh, you know what? Okay, if I twist it, it'll fit.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go around because I think the door's on this side.
Dean, get out of the way.
Okay. Look, you're holding the toilet.
Get out of here, Dean.
Okay.
Dean, go sit down. Oh, gosh.
You're put out jail.
Dude, go sit down. I'm not in the mood. It'll be fun, they said.
I can't believe they think that this is an efficient way for doing a composting toilet.
Yeah, I don't see it, but we'll see. We'll give it a shot. I'm going to carry, that's for sure. Oh, dude. If this falls on me, cut the camera. If I fall off the ladder and get the poo on me, done. Oh shit. It's super front heavy.
Oh.
So you kind of forget.
It's because all that peen that's in there.
See what the balance point is?
Yeah.
Jesus. I'm gonna fucking fall off this ladder for sure.
I think maybe we should remove the tank first.
No, I gotta deal with the pee up here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna. I think this is the easiest one. I don't know.
We watched a YouTube video about it and you removed the tank first.
Right, but that was his piss, not someone else's.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it near a hose. Oh, I fucking smell it. Oh, I smell piss.
Gross.
Having a freaking good day. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, dude, I swear to God.
Be careful. Gross. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just wafting and I can't smell nothing, so that's it.
That's gross.
Oh, Maple's landed. Get this thing out of here. Oh. The other one's not too bad.
I mean, if it's sitting in compost, it shouldn't smell too bad.
Yeah, it's actually not bad when I pop it. It's the pee that's fucking just making my stomach hurt. It's really just because it's not ours. I don't know why that matters, but it's...
No, it's nasty.
It's Any of my pit. I think I'm gonna just bleach bomb this thing.
Yeah.
I flipped it over and like all empty on the strap, so now I didn't want to touch the strap. It's fabric. Who puts? Oh, yeah. Ooh, I'm still getting whiffs. Oh. 5 feet away from it, and I'm just getting. That smells gonna be stuck on me all day. I need a shower or a bath.
God, so gross.
I ain't even at the business end yet. Well, I think it's because this boat's been sitting too.
Yeah. I wonder if we could like put anything in the tank beforehand to like help with like it not stinking.
It definitely wasn't a funeral. I'm gonna soak that sucker, honestly. That shit is nasty.
And the reason I'm not down there is because that one won't go in the boat. What are you doing? You locking your brothers in? I think you are.
I'm gonna take this, dump it, and I'm gonna go straight to the dumpster with it, obviously.
Okay.
Hang around. Composting toilet so far, 10 out of 10, don't recommend.
Yeah.
We'll see though, we're gonna give it a shot.
We're just not those people.
Most people, nobody wants to handle their own shit.
Well, those people who are all about, well, I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
It's just nasty.
The stuff in here is all moldy too.
Really?
Yeah. I know you don't like mold, that's why I just want to paint that picture if I gotta go through it, just give you something to think about.
Ugh. I literally never want to know what it looks like in there.
Yeah. Well, don't look.
All right, I'll see you.